Hello. Today I'm going to be going over my PowerPoint presentation for our continuous improvement project. So, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Hallie Steinke. I'm a freshman and I am majoring in mechanical engineering technologies. So our presentation today is going to follow this simple outline. We're going to start with our introduction, then get into our background. We'll discuss the methodology, the results, the conclusions, and then we'll discuss takeaways. So our whole project this semester has been going over the delivery data for this company back in 2010. And after combing through all this delivery data, we can see where we need improvement. And in this presentation, we're going to discuss how I plan on implementing that. So after compiling the data, we learned that 33.96% of the company's orders were shipped late, and 74% of those latenesses were caused from unknown reasons. And that in of itself is a really big red flag because we don't know how to fix something if we don't know what we're dealing with. And so that's why I'm suggesting that we implement the DMAIC method, which I'm sure you know stands for define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. Please ignore the vacuum in the background. First, because we're dealing with an unknown variable, first thing we need to do is we need to define what exactly we are going to be talking about. And so to do that, I'm suggesting that we monitor the upcoming month's deliveries much more strictly than we have in the past. Like every single point on the line needs to be closely monitored so that way we can find exactly where this problem is occurring. And after the month, we are going to go over the data again. And once we find the issue, we are going to discuss exactly how we are going to fix it. And then after we discuss how we're going to fix it, we're going to implement the change into the line, and then we're going to continue monitoring everything and make sure everything goes all according to plan. And through this process, we were able to pinpoint directly what was causing the problems, and we were able to take it out at the root. And we've been able to continue our process with little to no issues. And so the use of the DMAIC method is a very thorough way to accurately solve unknown problems on our line. And also, the takeaway is spending time to fully analyze the problem is worth having to not worry about the issue piling up in the future. I know that to some people this process takes a long time, a couple months, maybe up to like 2 at least, and I know that they would like to fix their issue much more quickly than that. However, taking the time to fully understand and grasp what exactly we are dealing with here allows us to implement a much more effective change. And also it allows us to see certain issues that we couldn't even see from the get-go, and allows us to take care of them before they start bubbling up over the surface. And that is the end of my presentation. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope you all have a great day.